So there's a couple of things that happen when people are renewing their license that cause problems. The first one is, although we love our agents to renew early, if you renew early, you still have to have your continuing education completed when you renew. So when you renew your license, you're asked the question and you're required to attest that your continuing education has already been completed.
Awesome.
The second thing that happens is if you renew late, even if it's only a half an hour, it makes your license go inactive. So when you renew on inactive status. And in order to become active again, you have to have your broker reactivate your license. It's a simple process. The broker goes in and activates you into their company, but a lot of times people don't realize that they have renewed on an inactive status.